send this to Driss. Right here. You need to send this to Driss.
Who said she doesn't like Driscoll?
You gotta send this to Driss because
Okay.
she loves him.
Kramer?
Yeah, she loves Kramer. Zach, no,
You
that's
can
Adam
play.
Levine.
You know-
What, really? You want to go? Do you want to go?
You know Driscoll?
Yes.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
When?
I met her.
Elsa Driscoll selling. You like Adam?
Loves him.
No,
He's
just-
hot.
So
He's
you gotta
cigarette.
save it and
He
then.
died.
He did not
He
die.
smokes.
So,
No,
He can't smoke.
why?
A hottie doesn't smoke.
that is
He's
true.
smoking.
Well, he doesn't do this.
Right. Like, I love you. Oh, I love you.
What are you doing?
Smoking.
Smoking
the fire on it?
is not
Smoking
cool.
in the boys' room.
It's not okay. We don't pretend to smoke.
Smoking in the bedroom.
It's bad enough to sing about it.
I'm sorry.